My wife left me because I'm insecure. No, wait, she's back. She just went to get coffee. You're welcome. All right, so we got that beam up there. So that's awesome. That's going to come in handy for the game, like I said. Probably some other things too. Either way, I wanted to make sure I had that in there before we closed everything up. So anyways, I wanted to mention a few things. Some people have been asking about the price of lumber doing this, how bad it's been, or if it's bad in Canada, if it's not as bad in the States. About 60% of our viewers are in the States. So I wanted to mention roughly what we're paying up here for lumber, because it is pretty bad up here. So we had OSB on the house, 7/16 OSB on the walls, right? Well, on here we have a slab. Slab was fine. We get that at a normal price. The price for that was fine. Concrete and stuff, that didn't go up, at least that we noticed. The price of 2x4s and the price of OSB and plywood. That plywood's still really expensive too. But believe it or not, that 3/8 plywood was actually cheaper than 7/16 OSB. So of course I'm going to throw plywood on over OSB. But the price of that OSB there, or the price of this plywood was almost $34 a sheet for one sheet for that 3/8 plywood. So obviously that's crazy, crazy high. The OSB, I believe, was the OSB was a couple dollars more, but obviously that would add up over a bunch of sheets. The regular price of that plywood up here is a little bit more than half that. So that's with Canadian dollars, right? So the price is almost double what you would normally pay. And this is done with 2x10, 2x4s. So the 2x10s are about $11 a piece. So it's over $1 a foot for 2x4, for just regular 2x4s. And then for a 12-foot 2x4, it's pushing about $13. So again, it's about $1 a piece, or a little over $1 a foot. But something that I noticed, and this is probably because, and I know that's what it has to be, is I got 16 footers. This is just one of the receipts from picking some stuff up at one point. I got 16, this is from, it's September, so we're in October now. It's just pretty much the same prices. A 16-foot 2x4 was $10.10, so it actually was less than a 10-foot 2x4 for the 16-footers. And what that is, it's probably because they already had them on the lot, and that was probably before they went up, right? Or before they went up to the crazy price, right? A lot of the prices earlier in the year were still higher, but they just didn't get to the crazy price they got to lately. So we've got quite a bit of money into that. You can kind of figure it out just by looking at our 4 walls. It's only a 24x24. It's great for us. We really need this garage going into the winter, so we were kind of handcuffed because we really need to get this garage up, so we had to purchase the wood. It is what it is this year. We couldn't wait on it. We really needed it. Luckily, we're just building a garage and not a house, so we just had the 4 walls. But again, that's just the price of the 2x4s and the sheathing, which that's what mostly puts this together anyway. And then there's still the door, and that's normal price pretty much what it would be, the man door. But then, we got some headers in there and stuff like that. That'll add up too. The price of metal luckily hasn't changed. So we get the metal roof, but all that adds up too. But mainly what I wanted to mention was just the prices of the 2x4s and the sheathing, because that's the bulk of what we got going on here and how high it is. So yeah, the prices up here are bad up in Canada, just like there in the States. So it is what it is. There you go. Just anybody who was wanting to know about that, now you know. Starting to lose light today. Prepped a few more things for deer hunting today. Checked out a tractor that we may be picking up, so look out for that. Pretty excited about that, hoping that goes through, because that'll help us plow this better than just using the side-by-side. And did some other things anyways. But we'll keep you all in touch. We'll keep you up to date on it. Gonna do the strapping on the garage here next. The metal's coming soon this week, so I'll get that ready so as soon as the metal gets here, we can just get at it. And then we'll have a roof on it, be all in. We'll just have to cover in the gables and then get on my absolute least favorite part, the soffit. So there we go. Let's see. Yeah, the center's probably like right on that, eh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, what it says. There's 4, so 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42. Maybe slightly lower. Like about an inch or two. They say the optimal viewing is 42 inches to the center of the TV. Seems pretty low to me.
Yeah.
That's what this is in the manual that the experts say. So
we're going to give it a try.
the experts, I guess, on TV viewing. I'm not one that likes to say, they say, right? You hear a lot of people say, they say this. Who? Who's they? But in this scenario, it's the experts, the TV experts. So at Mountain Dream, they've talked to the experts.
And the experts say optimal viewing experience is at what?
42 inches to center of the TV. This is a 65-inch TV, though, so it's going to be there, the center, and then probably the bottom there.
But is that, so should it be higher because it's such a big TV?
No, it said the center of TV.
No matter what the TV size
So,
is.
yeah, so it'll be like this.
It'll
Anyways, on the
good.
couch, it's probably going to be sweet.
Yeah,
For me,
really
personally, I like it right in front.
It's not like we actually watch TV standing.
There's
or
nothing
anything,
I hate more. Like a lot of people, you know how we have the cathedral ceiling?
Yeah.
We put their TV up there. And then you'd be sitting there and it's a
way
pain
up
in the
high.
butt looking up in the cathedral and your neck's, you know, it's a terrible spot.
We're going to set it up anyway and move
Anyways,
the couch and see what it looks like.
But
Probably be good.
you could do that. So if we're in our kitchen, our kitchen's over this way.
Lucky.
You know, you can see it there, straight on. It actually articulates quite a bit. You can squish it in too, right? But you can also, like that, and our picture window's right here. So if I'm going to run into the garage and do something, then it's I can look through the window. And I'm like, oh, game's back on. Got to get back inside.
Yeah.
And then we run back in.
Look at that. It's pretty cool. Tilt.
Yeah, this actually has an adjustment here, and you can tighten it
Look
right
at
there.
that.
This little thing is cool.
Pushes in, out, tilts, and goes back and forth.
Cool.
Different sides. That's neat. I like that.
Comes with a little level, too. You can build your whole house at this level.
It's a cool mount.
Can I keep her in the cage but play with her too?
So we went ahead and moved it up a bit. Seemed a little low. So it's about 50 inches on center. They say about 42, but we're just, since we get a 65-inch TV, it's going to be pretty big. So it's about 50, 51 inches on the center for us. We got these brackets on. We're going to finish putting it together. If you're wondering why we're putting this on in the middle of a squat rack,
Yeah.
it's because this is actually our living room because we've been building our place. And temporarily our TV is on the other side of the room, but it's coming over here. So that's what's going on. We're building the garage right now. If you don't know that, then you should be watching it.
And all of our gym equipment's going out there.
Yeah, all the gym equipment will be going out there. That's what I was getting at. So the gym equipment's going out there. TV's coming over here. Living room's here. And this is going to become a little more normal in here. So this is going to be the permanent location.
Yay.
Yay. Well, this thing's supposed to hold 100 pounds, so none of us can hang off it.
I can. Close. It's rude and hurtful.
Let's try the TV on her. I got the brackets already on that.
Oh, nice.
So we're ready to try it. And we could just run the cords over here, and by the end of the week, we'll be able to put this out there. The gym. We'll just move it out of the way for now.
Yeah.
We'll just unplug everything.
Oh, yeah, I guess I'm going to have to help you, aren't I?
Okay, so like we said, bear with us. The clutter we got going on here, but because we're in the middle of building a place, so this is where the living room's going. So we're going to throw the TV on there now, see how she hangs, see if it holds up. We had this hung up before at another place.
But it was a cheap mount we bought at Walmart.
And the mount sucked, so. You good?
Yeah.
You got it?
Uh-huh.
I think we're good.
Hope so.
Just gotta get the screws.
You got it? Yeah, it just falls.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't. There you go. Drop a screw.
Instantly. Drop the most pivotal
Screw you,
screw.
creepo.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's kind of level, eh?
No?
What?
Looks like your ends up way higher.
It should be level, the thing. It's just where you're standing. Hold it.
Oh.
I'm not done.
Oh.
That's not good. Oh, shoot.
What?
Oh, shoot. That's not good. This here one's in the way. Damn it.
Now we're good?
Can you move this out a bit so I can actually... What the frick? Can we turn the TV
What?
so I can actually get in here?
What do you want?
I can't get in here. There we
this?
go. Yeah, that's good. It's like something from IKEA, though. There's a ton of things to it.
Is it on?
Yeah, I just want to snug up the other side here quick.
I love how it turns so much. It's awesome.
All right.
Let go.
Sure. Oh, it feels way more sturdy than the last
The
one.
last one felt like it was actually going to fall off the wall.
It felt
instantly.
brutal. This one feels deadly.
Oh, that's so cool.
What a difference.
Looks awesome, too.
We just got to take these legs off. Right.
Yeah, no, that's a good height. You wouldn't want it any higher.
No, that's perfect. I wouldn't want it any higher.
I like it. Me likey.
And it folds like we can put it in flat here.
Looks cool. It's going to look way cooler when it's not a gym / living room.
Man, that thing
Looks awesome.
looks
Can't wait to have
pretty
power
slick
and like
there.
cords. I mean, like a little plug right under it. Just plug it into the wall. It'd be amazing.
There it is. You guys get the idea. You can see we got it all on the wall. That thing's solid.
Holy mackerel, is it ever? I love that.
This thing's way solid, more solid than the last one we had. So all the links are below, so you can check them all out. This is from Mounting Dream, and it's awesome.
It's a cool mount, yeah.
The last one we had sucked, so this one's deadly.
Just a couple years ago, we bought one. It was garbage.
Yeah,
But it
totally.
wasn't
We actually
Mounting
took it off the wall within like
The same day.
The same day,
'cause
maybe?
We thought the TV was going to smash.
yeah, and then we put it on. It was this exact TV, 65 inch. So this is a 65 inch TV on here. It's deadly.
Yeah. But the other one we bought at Walmart. It wasn't this brand or anything.
No, it
was
wasn't
just some
Mounting Dream.
cheap one I found at Walmart.
That's why when they reached out to us,
we were like, oh, we'll try
absolutely try it because
Yeah.
that last one sucked. And this one's awesome. So
it. Yeah, real great.
very happy with it.
Solid.
So if anybody else is looking for a good solid one, that's why we're letting you know.
Check it out.
Down below. It's working good. Must be. Look what's on the TV now. As good as it gets right there.
So Sam turned 6 in a couple weeks, and for her birthday, she wanted a new pet, a baby bunny. So here it is, little bunny. It's a tiny little thing. Happy?
It's really cute. And I named her Spanola.
Nice.
Anyways, if you're new here, we always got projects on the go. We got the garage to finish. We got the interior of our home to do over the winter as well. So subscribe for future content. We're happy to have you here. Have a good one.